Oh, goodness. What the heck is Abs doing here?
I was just gonna ask you why Mikey's here. And why is he armed with a weapon?
I'm just so damn sexy. Hey, Mikey, come over here and bring your loofah.
Oh, quiet, fellers. I'm hunting wabbits.
Okay, so, you guys ready for a joke?
No, Sean, we don't need any of your childish jokes. Why don't you just, get out there and blast, okay?
Listen, you little pussy. This is how it works. I tell a joke at the beginning of each episode, then you give us your dumb tip of the day, alright?
I don't know. You always refer to me as a girl's privates. I am a grown man. Go ahead and tell your dumb joke.
Is somebody gonna come over here and give me a proper soak?
Oh, hell no, Abs.
Hey, Johnny Abs! Zima, 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 zima.
What's the cheapest type of meat? Deer balls. They're under $1. Yeah.
Oh, very funny, Sean.
All right, enough with all the messing around. It's time for the Sandblast tip of the week.
Oh, great. Okay, let's hear your amazing tip.
Use safety cables or whip checks, okay, on all your hose-to-hose and hose-to-equipment connections. This will keep you and your operator safe.
Are you friggin' kidding me? Safety cables? You are an idiot.
Shut up, you girls' privates.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Get out there and blast.
Okay, that's it for today at the Metal Finisher. Stay tuned for episode 4. See ya.
Get out there and blast.